Hello architects and engineers. So in this video we will going to make a steel shed front open lean-to. So let's go to the for the steel shed the entire manual is same, just the material will be steel and the columns will be UB columns and there will be a truss or it can be a UB rafter. So let's go to the basic dimensions and we can select the floor thickness, units will be metric, and roof type will be lean-to. And as you can see, the shape of the curves and purlins, and the rafter type. There's an option of both UB and we can choose truss. So let's go for the roof pitch will be 6 degrees and the width of the shed is 18 meters. Wall height is 5 meters. Number of bays will be number of bays will be 5 and base spacing is 6 meters. Okay, let's go to the columns and we can add centric columns as a mullions and column type. You can add the column type. It can be UB and it can be SHS columns. So we will select the UB columns for now and let's go add some walls as this is a front open shed. So and we can remove these girds, for which we have to go to the columns tab and then which side of the girds you want to remove. This is the left side, so click on the left vertical bars like this. And this is how you can make a lean-to front open 3D shed at engineers.com.